Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can manually add and autofill passwords for apps and websites on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, we go down and tap on Passwords. Now in here, you need to sign in with Face ID or a passcode. Now to add in a new password, you tap on the Add button at the top. And then you put in the website or an app name. So say facebook.com. And I'll put in the username, test. Let's put in the username as Teddy. And the password is TeddyPass. And tap on Done. Okay, so that now we have manually add in the password. Now, if that website require a two-step verification code, you can also tap on Setup Verification Code. And here you can either manually put in the setup key or scan QR code. So some website will require you to use a two-step verification code like Google Authentications, and in that case you can use Apple verification code instead of using Google Authentication. And you can see here this password will be rotating or changes every 15 seconds, and after that you will need to put in a new code all the time, and this kind of like helps to increase the security of your account. And that's it. So now if we go back to Facebook, and if I refresh the page, now if I put in my if I tap on the text box, username text box or password text box, I can choose the username right here. You can see the new save password and username that we have just created. So if I tap on that, it will automatically populate the new username and password. Now if the website also require the use of verification code, that can get populated as well. And after that you can just simply log in using the autofill password. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.